Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kara and I'm going to show you today exactly how to file your LLC in 2026. This is the updated version and this is for any state. So there's a few fluctuations depending on each state, but it's pretty much all the same. To be honest, actually, I think the only difference is the price of the LLC in every state. So it's very straightforward. And there definitely are some things that you can, that make it more complicated, but I'm going to show you how to make it as easy as possible for yourself. And I have the link in the description below. Basically, if you could pull this screen to a second tab, or maybe you have your laptop and phone open, I would prefer that you just follow along with me. It's up to you. You can save it for later, but if you just go right on through and just click everything I'm clicking, it makes it the easiest. I would just say that's what I recommend is the easiest possible way to do this. So again, the link is in the description below. And I'm gonna be showing you on the Tailor Brands website how to file your LLC. So here is the site. You're gonna start by clicking the state that you're in. Let's just do Hawaii, okay? And again, no matter what state you're in, it's gonna be basically the same layout as we're going through. So let's type in the name of your business. Let's just say I have a burger restaurant, okay? Kara Burger. Great, that's not a great business name, but all right. And what industry? Restaurant, all right. Now the next three questions are more or less a survey. You can see up here we have 3 sections we're gonna go through, and section 1 is like, we're gonna blow right through it. It's so easy. So let's just say taking the first steps. It's my first time doing a business and I'm gonna have a couple partners, let's say. Okay, so you found Tailor Brands, which is this site through YouTube. And this is just kind of, I don't know, like an ad, so we can skip this. And now you're gonna type in your personal information. You guys, Tailor Brands is a very trusted and safe website, so you don't have to worry about your information going anywhere. No like spam emails and stuff like that. Okay, and create a password for yourself. Okay, now we're going on to section 2 of 3 already. Like I said, let's make this super easy. This is why, like I mentioned, I like using Tailor Brands because it's just a little more like user-friendly in my opinion. Okay, so your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. Now, you will need this when you file your taxes, and you also need this to open a business bank account. So if those are things that, you should be considering doing, you definitely need to do, you will need an EIN number. So if you want to do it for free, you could do it through the IRS website. I find it a little more complicated to do on that website. So Tailor Brands can do it for you. It is $99 and they do all of the work. So for me, I feel like that's worth it. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. So if you do not renew it, you can lose the name of your business, which would obviously be horrible. Then you'd have to start over with a new name. So if you're worried that you might miss that renewal time, Tailor Brands can renew it for you. It is a little pricey. It's $199 a year. So to save that money, I like to click this option here. I'll handle the compliance, and you will be notified by email of like a heads up, like, hey, you need to renew your LLC soon, in about a year from when you file. So it's not going to sneak up and surprise you, but just keep that in mind. That is something that you have to be aware of and looking for within about a year. Okay, a branding toolkit. Let's just skip on this part. And if you want your LLC in one business day, it's $99. That means, you guys, you can be up and running. What's today? Today's Thursday. So I think, to be honest, I don't know if they include weekends or not, but basically once you file, it'll be one business day after that. If you're not, pressed for time and you do want to save some money, you can get it in 2 weeks from now. So it's totally up to you if you want it, in one day or 2 weeks. That is your call. And an operating agreement is absolutely crucial to have if you have business partners. So what it does is kind of breaks down the responsibilities and ownership within the business. So later down the line, maybe if you have a partner and they decide they want to, leave the business and sell their portion of the business, it'll become very easy and clear for you guys and kind of avoid any legal issues now that you know who is owning what. So let's click Get Our Operating Agreement. And you guys, this formation kit, I actually really like this. It's a binder and it has every single piece of paperwork that you're ever gonna need for your business. So things with accounting, taxes, organization, monthly planners, all that stuff. Yeah, if you wanna get, hit the ground running right from the beginning, definitely recommend this. Maybe you already have a lot of these pieces of paper and things for organizing, but if you don't, this is definitely a good option to choose. I'm gonna click yes, but if you guys don't want it, you can click no, or at the end, we can deselect that option as well. So you always have the option at the very end to, if you've skipped this part, or you skipped one of the pages and you decide you actually want something, you can add it on at the end. So yeah, you don't have to worry about missing out. Now, Tailor Brands, this is a new option they have for 2026. They have a business bank account for you. It is free to open. You're gonna get a debit card in the mail. And this is so important to have, like I mentioned. Now, whether you do it through Tailor Brands or your own bank, like a local bank that you use, I highly recommend getting that business bank account. So many reasons for this. If you have a partner, you guys don't want to be spending your one, bank card that you're using for personal and for your business, because obviously that's going to cause some issues right away. Maybe you decide to go out for dinner, you spend $250 and your partner's like, well, you spent the business money. So that's a problem, right? Or, even if it's just yourself in the business, you want to know exactly how much money is coming in and how much money is going out into your business. So you want to have those two things separate. Not to scare anyone, but if someone does try to sue you down the line, having that separate LLC and business bank account is so important, because they can no longer come after your personal stuff, like, your personal bank account, any of your assets, your house, anything like that. They can only go after your business. So it really gives you a lot of protection. So I'm gonna click yes. Let's get that free bank account. And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC filing. There's just kind of updates. They'll send you a text or email saying, hey, your LLC is being created. Hey, it's finished, things like that. All right, so let's start by clicking this here, see other options. Now, there are 3 options you can choose from. We're gonna select this light plan today because it is free, but I wanna show you guys these other options as well, because I do think they're important and I do think they could come in handy. So this one, for example, it's $249 a year, but you get a website name, a business coaching program, bookkeeping, you get all of these things. And if you don't have a website already, a website is typically a lot more expensive than this to get created. So, you can just see even the way the Tailor Brands website looks like, right? It's super professional and nice. They're gonna create a really nice professional website for you. So, something to consider. And if you choose today not to do it, but in a week from now, you're like, oh my gosh, I think I do need a website, you can go back on Tailor Brands and get that website for yourself. So let's select the light plan. And this is the breakdown for today. So Hawaii state filing fee is $51. This is one of the lower prices for states. Some states, I think Massachusetts is around $450. So the prices can really fluctuate from like 500-ish to like 50-ish. It really just depends on the state that you're in. And this number changes every year. But you definitely want to file in the state that you work and live in. This is crucial. Okay, we're getting that operating agreement for $99. Again, that breaks down the rules and responsibilities of all parties involved. Again, if you decide you don't want it, you can just unselect it. Let's opt for this bookkeeping and invoicing, but after a month for free, you do pay $30 a month. So it's up to you if you want to try this or not. Here is the free business bank account. Okay, our EIN number is $99, you guys. That's for them to create it for you. Again, like I said, if you want to do it for free, it's through the IRS website. Totally your call. Both are completely valid and good to go. And this was the binder with all of the organizational paperwork. So if you do want this or not, just select here. So today you're only paying for your LLC filing fee, which for Hawaii is $51. Other states, depending on your state, it will be something different. And then after the LLC is created, then you pay the $99 EIN charge, and any other things that you've chosen, you will pay those as a second charge after your LLC is created. So that's kind of a nice thing. You don't have to pay it all at once. And once you go to your payment, they make it really easy to pay right online. You can enter your address, either your business, like a storefront address, your home address, or a virtual address if you have something like that. But that is literally it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC. And this, like I said, applies to every single state. This is the updated 2026 version. But if you do have any questions or some concerns, or maybe you want to hear more about the options that are on the Tailor Brands website that I showed you, leave them in the comments below. Again, you guys, I would say biggest takeaway here is get that LLC, get the EIN number, get your separate bank account, business and personal. It's so important when you're starting a business to keep your personal and your business separated from each other. It's just to protect yourself, and it's also going to help you really grow and make money. You know exactly what's coming into your business and what's leaving, so there's never any confusion. I hope you guys like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.